What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a fall haul. I have been dying to share with you guys some random stuff that I picked up, and that's exactly what this video is. It's just random stuff to get me prepped and ready for fall. Here in PA, guys, fall is creeping up on us. It is like a high of 70 degrees today, and just a few weeks ago it was like 90 something. I was roasting, I was burning up, and now we're getting chilly. Not bothered, not mad about it, because I definitely love the fall. Fall and like autumn is my favorite time of the year. And of course, guys, I had to stop at the BW, pick up some fall candles. I went and got some skincare. I went to a thrift shop. I went to Marshall's and the House of Walls. And I just have some random stuff I want to share with you guys today that I picked up that is fall related. So if you're interested in my haul, then keep on watching. Get comfortable, grab a drink, we're about to hang out. I have a lot of stuff here, guys, that I really just want to share with you. And honestly, there's a few things I've been wanting for quite some time. So we're going to start this off with something completely random, something that I didn't even know I was going to purchase. I went to Marshall's, and of course, guys, again, I'm guilty of going there at least once a week. Horrible, but I seen something that I was like, oh my god, is that really saying $10? Adidas Sneakers for $10. Do you see that? 10 bucks. What the heck? I don't know why they were so cheap, but there were tons of them, and these are men's. To me, they just look very vintage, very kind of like dad-like. I don't know what you want to call this style, but 10 bucks, and it says originally on here, I kind of already peeled this off, it says $34. I think these are definitely more than $35, this pair of shoes, because I seen these on Urban Outfitters, and they were at least 90. But I love how unique this is, guys. Right on the lip, the top of the sneaker here, it says super core, world famous for quality, and then like Adidas symbol right there. So these are just simple. They're gonna go with everything, and 10 bucks, you really cannot go wrong. So I love these, and I like how antique they look. Like they're not white, they're not cream. It's like a weird like in between color. So bone, whatever you want to call that, we love, we live. Next, I went to a local antique shop, and guys, I'm on like a vintage kick right now. I kind of always am, but since I'm decorating for Halloween, I just want to up my game with the vintage Halloween pieces. And I went to this place in downtown Scranton, PA. It's called On&On. Shout out to them. I actually did a vlog at their store one time, and it's a really cool place. So I picked up some pieces that are for my Halloween tree. Yes, I'm doing like a Halloween Christmas tree. By the way, my next episode of Vintage Therapy is going to be my decoration of fall and Halloween in my home, specifically my Halloween tree. So right now you're getting a sneak peek of some of the finds that I picked up, and this is something very random, a little spooky, a little kooky, a little odd, but it is a baby doll arm, an antique baby doll arm, and has like a spring right there. It's like chipping away. It's very old, but I paid like $5 for this, and this is a vibe I'm going for, just very like old and creepy. And yeah, this right here was a must. I've actually been like picturing that in my head. I looked up trees on Pinterest of Halloween Christmas trees, and I seen that somebody had their tree decorated in just like baby doll parts. Not going for like that crazy, but one arm will do. One arm is fine. But I did have to get something else that was a little creepy and kind of like toy inspired. And this right here is a doll. She is porcelain. She is creepy. I think I paid like $3 for this. I don't know why they painted the feet red. Maybe they're supposed to be Louboutins. Who knows? But yeah, I got her. The next thing that I did get at this place, I don't want to like share everything because I want to keep some surprises for my Vintage Therapy series. This is just one of them. I know, this is very creepy. My partner's like, I don't want these in my house. No like pictures. This is a real picture, by the way, from 1940. Yeah. Moving on to the BB&W Bath & Body Works. Just the other day, they actually had a sale where it was buy one candle, 3-wick candle, get one for free. Of course, I had to go. I love burning like the Bath & Body Works candles at home. I've been working from home, so just lighting a candle and relaxing and getting my stuff done is therapeutic. I enjoy it. Going to a Bath & Body Works and not being able to smell anything is such a challenge, guys. I mean, I don't even want to like put the candle up to my mask just because I feel like that's not, we shouldn't be doing that. So it was challenging, let me just say that. And I picked up this candle over here. It's called Autumn Woods, which is very like, very nice. It's kind of like a mix between mahogany teak wood and bergamot woods as well. I love this. It's not too fall-ish, too autumn-ish, but it's a good vibe. I appreciate it. And the next one I think I had this one before during like New Year's, around that time. This is Champagne Toast, and I forgot what it smelled like, but I like the jar, so I got it. It's like a pink quartz, like marble look. Very nice. That's actually great in the bathroom, not gonna lie. It's a refreshing smell. All right, I like that. The jars for the White Barn collection right now, I mean, come on. Like, Bath & Body Works has really stepped up their game. These are simple, they're minimal, and they look expensive. They look more than like $13 candles. So the next place I went to was Sephora, and I've honestly have not been to a Sephora since pre-quarantine, probably like 2019 still. I don't know, but let me tell you guys, I seen something on Instagram and I was like, I want it, I have to get it. And 𝗀𝗏𝟏 has always caught my eye. I've never actually used anything by 𝗀𝗏𝟏. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration Plus Glow Serum. And I'm in the market for a new hyaluronic acid product. And to me, I love including that within my routine because it just welcomes and it delivers moisture and it retains moisture and it really does a great job. So I've never tried anything by 𝗀𝗏𝟏, so I'm really excited. The box though is pretty cool. I must say I do like the packaging for 𝗀𝗏𝟏, and I will be doing a dedicated review on this product, but let's do a first impression. I mean, why not? Sephora was very challenging also, just like Bath & Body Works, because there was no testers, there was nothing out like that. This is really cool. Visibly plump skin with juicy plum and hyaluronic acid. Hey, Glow Gang. All right. I guess I'm part of the Glow Gang. It's pretty cool. I know a lot of people on YouTube are sponsored and are affiliates of 𝗀𝗏𝟏. I'm not, so trust me, you'll be getting an honest review. Not that any of my reviews are not honest, but I've always wanted to work with 𝗀𝗏𝟏. 𝗀𝗏𝟏's packaging just always gets to me. I must say, like, $42 is what I spent for this, and as long as it's a promising and a great product and delivers and performs, then I will not be upset. But 42 bucks was kind of a lot for a hyaluronic acid product, not gonna lie. So hopefully it does a good job. Just want to see how the product feels. Ooh, it is very, very soft, very silicone-y. That's gonna be nice. Doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. No fragrance is always good for me because it's less irritation. All right, you guys will be seeing a dedicated review on this product shortly because 42 bucks, I'm sure you guys want to know the tea, and you'll get that served very shortly. Next up is totally random, guys. I honestly don't even know why I'm going to share this, but I went to Walmart, the House of Walls, and there was one thing in here that I really do want to share because I love the way it smells. But I got myself a box of Monster, Ultraviolet Monster, the purple kind. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is like my antidote. This is my drug. I freaking love this Monster. I honestly have one like almost every single day. It's crazy. It's not okay. But it's sugar-free, so we live. But I wanted to share this scent, guys. This is Frebreze, and I'm not much of like a room spray type person. I just like my candles and, you know, the sprays that have antibacterial in them. But this is called Air Wood. It has amber, oud, and cedar. Trust me when I say, guys, if there was a fragrance, like a cologne of this, I'd be rocking it because this smells amazing. I really do smell the oud, and a lot of fragrances, it's hard to capture the oud scent, and this one has it. I freaking love this. Definitely recommend it. This is probably better than any Bath & Body Works room spray that I've smelt in a very long time. It's unique, I must say. It kind of reminds me of a Elizabeth & James fragrance, Bourbon Black, I think is the name. Love. The last thing I'm going to share with you guys is something that I got in the mail, so it was a little bit of online shopping, but I subscribed to GQ. I got the latest issue in the mail, and the reason why I subscribed was because when you subscribe, you got a hat, and I seen this hat and I was like, that is so cool, and I freaking love this. On the back, it says proud subscriber of GQ, and I'm loving it. I'm thinking about doing a series on here where each month I review and like talk about the issue in the magazine. We go through it, maybe a first impressions type deal, but I may be doing that. Just kind of want to share how cool the hat was, and it was 10 bucks for the entire year. So basically, like, I don't know, whatever that is divided by 12. So we live. That's a great deal, guys. I'm very pumped with my purchases and little random stuff. I consider this a fall haul because these things are kind of fall related. Actually, they're anytime related, but hey, it is now almost fall, and I figured I've seen so many fall haul type videos and hangout sessions online that I wanted to take apart. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. Sound off in the comment section down below if there's anything you think that I should be checking out or any recommendations. Of course, sound off below as well. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, multiple times a week. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. The notification bell is extremely important because if you're not hitting that, that means you're not being notified whenever I upload a video. So do not forget the notification bell. Also, my Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.